Welcome to Exam Sale. In this quick guide we will map out the syllabus for test prep, test of essential academic skills, sentence completion so you know exactly what to study and why. The sentence completion section is organized into 3 domains with clear weightings and recommended study times. Conventions of standard English is 37%, knowledge of language is 33%, and vocabulary acquisition is 30%. Across all domains the assessment type is conceptual plus scenario-based, and the total suggested study time adds up to 37 hours, with difficulty levels ranging from medium for conventions, hard for knowledge of language, and easy for vocabulary. Conventions of Standard English carries 37% of the exam and focuses on the application of standard English grammar, spelling, and punctuation rules in sentence construction. This domain has a medium difficulty rating, an estimated learning time of 15 hours, and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based items. You will learn to identify parts of speech and sentence components such as nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and prepositions. Apply subject-verb agreement in complex sentences and ensure pronoun antecedent agreement. Use punctuation and capitalization correctly including commas, semicolons, colons, apostrophes and quotation marks, and recognize spelling rules, common misspellings, homophones and irregular verb forms while maintaining standard English syntax. Knowledge of language makes up 33% of the test and concentrates on using language effectively to enhance clarity and flow within written communication. This domain is rated hard, expects about 12 hours of study, and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment items that test sentence composition and revision as well as development and strengthening of writing. Candidates will learn to differentiate simple, compound and complex sentences, eliminate wordiness and redundancy, correct fragments and run-ons, maintain parallel structure and place modifiers correctly, and to develop coherent writing by maintaining a consistent point of view, using effective transitions, evaluating sentence flow, adapting tone for different audiences and choosing precise language. Vocabulary acquisition accounts for 30% of the test and focuses on determining the meaning of unknown words using structural analysis and context. This domain is easy in difficulty, requires roughly 10 hours of study, and is examined through conceptual and scenario-based tasks that emphasize contextual meaning and structural analysis. You will practice using definition and contrast clues, identifying cause and effect markers to infer meaning, distinguishing denotation from connotation and interpreting multi-meaning words, while also breaking words into morphemes by studying common Greek and Latin roots, prefixes and suffixes, using dictionaries and thesauruses effectively and learning basic medical and academic terminology. Use these weights and estimated hours to build a practical study plan that prioritizes conventions and knowledge while reinforcing vocabulary through daily practice. Focus on scenario-based questions and timed drills that combine grammar, revision and word analysis. Review punctuation and root analysis regularly, and you will be well prepared for sentence completion on the test of essential academic skills.